Are you ready to double your sales? Come learn our perfected business model for any service industry. Todd Hayes and Autoshop Answers are the magic behind my family's business, Adams Automotive, the largest shop in the country.
It's a process just like McDonald's has, Burger King, what have you. Utilize this process. You will make everybody that works for you wealthier, happier, and you will have a better business life.
This has relit my passion for my business, which is changing my family, changing my employees, and better off, changing my bank account.
Unless you are here, you wouldn't know what you're missing. Okay, it's unbelievable training. I never thought that I will have this paradigm shift in my brain. It's not the ordinary stuff. You come in and you say, wow, where did I spend last 24 years?